You want Grandpap to make it light up? Watch. Ready? Watch. Get it. Isn't that cute? Drop it and it'll bounce again. Bounce it. And then it'll light up. Gotta bounce it.
Got ball? Huh? Can I have you grab it?
Up. Now you're getting the hang of it. Up. Go to Grandpa. Go to Grandpa. Uh-oh, it stopped again. Throw it down. Drop it and see if it lights. Oh, you didn't throw it hard enough. Uh-oh. Not lighting up anymore. There it goes. Time to Grandpa. Grandpap got it. There it goes. Can you bounce it and make it come back on? You did it! You did it! Yay, Callie! So she bounced it and made the light come back on, Grandma. Uh-oh. Shut off again. Do it again. That wasn't hard enough. Got to do it hard. There it goes. Whoop, whoop. No. Lost interest in the ball? No? Maybe not. Uh-oh, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh no, it rolled way over there.